throw a little bit more in there.
I hate this thing. I'm thinking I'm recording and it's not recording.
You wasn't recording that whole time?
No.
Take a pinch of your
Mom, you was
flour.
screaming that whole time.
Throw the flour in there. Once the flour, what's the word I'm looking for? Dissipate, right? Yeah.
Let him make it up. Let him go.
Dissipate till next Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday.
You gotta make sure it's well covered. Gotta make sure it's well covered.
Where'd you get the bag again?
Safeway. It was the dirtiest one they had.
Why do we get a dirty bag of fried chicken?
For some reason, it retains the flavor.
All the way till Wednesday.
Just until Wednesday. We got the grease hot yet? No, not yet. Turn it up a little bit more. You don't want to